EOS, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within here, we mentioned if you want to look for buy, we prefer to get one more drop, at least the price tag, the lowest price of this correction. Then from there, we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. Because we mentioned we want to see how deep this one can go. That's why I mentioned wait for price to tag the lowest price of this correction. Anyway, the reason is because after the price drop, we see the continuation. That means there was no trade setup for buy. That's why I mentioned we wait for the next drop. Then we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. Anyway, the price dropped more than what we expected. And we start with higher time frame. And based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for buy as a reversal. We mentioned we're looking for this correction. With the breakout of this correction, any opportunity for buy will take it. And we'll, as a long term, we're looking for 7.4 and following by 8.5. All right. And as we can see, the price tag the lowest price of this correction, but the only question is whether we should consider this one or not. Okay, it depends on the traders, because if they want to refer for the indicator for the divergence, if they consider this one, they cannot look for divergence. If not, then they can look for the divergence. All right. Mostly we're looking for the, since the price tag the lowest price of this correction, we can expect the price even drop to 2.4, but we don't need to wait for that. From now, if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we'll take it. And even as for, we can see based on forward chart, the price tag the lowest price of this one. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And still based on lower time frame, we can look for 3.9 as a target. And if we put this loan relative to the previous one, and if we refer to the indicators, even we see we have a divergence. That's mean from now, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. The only times we can look for sell if the price reverses a corrective and this one turned to deeper correction. Since we get this drop as a sharp, then this is where we can look for the next drop. But at this point, the best thing is if we get any opportunity for buy, we are more interested to look for buy. The only times you can look for sell if the price consolidate here for longer time and we see the price, it turns to deeper correction. All right. Even we can expect this one turn to give us one more drop, and even we can expect the price extend drop as extension before we see the reversal. All right, whether we should look for sell or not is a short term and it depends on the traders. As I mentioned, the only times I will look for sell if this one turns to a deeper correction. Then from there we consider whether we should look for sell or not. If I see that opportunity, I will give an update. But at this point, if I get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, I will take it. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.